Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
We were discussing about bases. Everyone please enable your video. Yes, we were discussing about bases, right? Strong base, weak base. Everyone please enable your video. Where we were discussing strong bases, weak bases, then acidity of a base. All that we finished? Yes or no? Hello everyone, can you hear me? Where we were discussing
Acidity of base we were doing, sir.
acidity of base, acidity 1, acidity 2, acidity 3, till that we finished, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, chemical properties of bases. Chemical chemical properties of bases. Okay. Chemical properties of bases. In that, first one. Sorry. Chemical properties of bases. In that, first one, reaction with acids. Bases, they usually react with acid to form salt and water, right? That's what we have discussed in reaction of acids with base. The same way, bases, they react with acids to form salt and water. The first chemical property, reaction with acids. Reaction with acids. Reaction with acids. Bases, they can react with acids to form salt and water. First, let me take simple base. Let's say sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Sodium hydroxide is a base. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base. that dissociates completely into respective ions, right? That's what we discussed. And since it is strong base, it also reacts with the strong acids. Which are all the strong acids? Like HCl, HNO3, H2SO4. They're all strong acids and form respective salts and water. So NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl. NaCl plus H2O. Acid and base react with salt and water. NaOH plus HNO3, NaOH plus HNO3 is what? NaNO3 plus H2O. Similarly, NaOH that reacts with H2SO4 gives what? Na2SO4.
ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್ ತುಂಬಾ.
Pardon?
ನಿಮ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
Okay.
Sir, board clear ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
Pardon? Is that not visible properly?
Sir, it is blur, sir. Visible, sir.
Blur ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
Huh?
ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
NaOH plus H2SO4. I think when I turn towards board and start speaking, I think you may not be able to, I may not be able to audible, right? Board ಕಡೆ ತಿರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Now I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So these are the reactions. NaOH plus H2SO4 gives Na2SO4 plus H2O. Is this reaction balanced? I think first two reactions are balanced. So Na2SO4, since it is Na2, and here you have only NaOH, therefore it should be 2 NaOH. H2, 2H, that means 4H, 2H2O. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Same way, you can write KOH, correct? With KOH, you can write this. KOH plus HCl, HNO3, H2SO4. Can you write these three reactions again by taking KOH? Very well, Anu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, quickly write. How you have written NaOH, same way you can write KOH. This is acid-base reaction. Acid-base reactions are called neutralization reactions, right?
Yes, sir.
And neutralization reaction is always exothermic in nature. neutralization reaction is always exothermic in nature. Amount of energy released during neutralization reaction is always constant. All these points I explained during acid-base reaction. ಈ points ನಾನು explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬರೆಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Correct? All of you finished 3 reactions by taking KOH. Everyone finished 3 reactions by taking KOH?
Yes, sir.
Instead of NaOH, you can take KOH and write the reaction. Aita, Barbara, everyone finished? I know you won't enable the video, you won't respond. At least thumbs up. That also you can do. Only 2 students enable their video out of 24 students. Fida Arshad, in between I'll be talking Kannada. Hope it won't disturb you.
No,
Okay.
sir. No.
When it comes to technical subject, I'll explain anyway I'll explain in English so that you can understand. Okay.
Okay,
It's
sir.
only to improve our chemistry, personal chemistry, not the chemistry subject. It's only to improve our personal chemistry. In between, I'll be talking in Kannada. Okay. So you'll be learning 2 subjects. The one is language and the other one is science subject in all Sankar classes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And one subject is common, that is Kannada language. Okay, fine. I don't think there will be any other students who can't understand Kannada. Everyone can understand Kannada, right?
Yes, sir.
Only 3-4 students are enabling their video. How many times we should tell all this? Okay, shall I erase this? So Fida Arshad, you understood, like by taking NaOH, I mean how it reacts with the different acids to form salt and water. The same way
Yes, sir.
KOH also react. Okay. I'm giving more and more examples so that you will be familiar with writing chemical equations and balancing. Applying your first chapter knowledge here. By writing more and more chemical reactions, you all applying your first chapter knowledge. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. It's an integrated approach. You are learning new concept, at the same time you are applying the concept already you learned. Okay, everyone. Fine. I erase this. Fine. Let me take calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide formula, CaOH twice. When it reacts with strong acid, like hydrochloric acid, HCl. Which salt it forms? Calcium chloride. Calcium chloride. Of course, it forms what? Along with salt.
Water.
Yeah, water. H2. See, it is CaCl2, right? Cl2. There are 2 chlorine atoms, but in the reactant side, only 1 chlorine atom. So you have to make it as 2. HCl. So now it is CaCl2, H2O, it will be, I guess, 2H2O, 2H2. Now it's balanced. Correct? When calcium hydroxide reacts with an acid called hydrochloric acid, it gives salt and water. Salt. Name of that salt is calcium chloride. Yes or no? Super.
Yes.
So can we take HNO3? See what was calcium hydroxide plus nitric acid, HNO3. HNO3. It forms
CaNO3.
CaNO3 twice
Plus H2O.
plus H2O. See, there is NO3 twice. NO3 twice. That means in the reactant side, we have only NO3. There it is NO3 twice. So that here also it should be
2HNO3.
2HNO. Correct? And remember, we cannot write HNO3 twice here. Here we can't write HNO3 twice. Why we can't write HNO3 twice? Because the charge on hydrogen is only one, H plus. That is why we have to write 2 HNO3. Hope that's clear. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ?
Yes, sir.
You can't write like this. You can't write like this. Oh, here it is NO3 twice. Let me write NO3 twice here also. No. Yake? You know that hydrogen is H plus, NO3 minus. This charge here and this charge here. Correct? Then it is 1:1 ratio. When it is 1:1 ratio, it is HNO3 only. To make it as 2NO3, then you have to multiply by 2 here. You can't write like this. Got it? Okay. Then 2H2. Calcium hydroxide plus H2SO4. Calcium hydroxide plus H2SO4. It gives what? Calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate, CaSO4. Plus 2H2.
Sir, it should be CaSO4 twice, no, sir?
Who is this?
Sir, Nisarga.
Nisarga. Can you please enable your video? At least asking question you have to enable, no? Nisarga RG. Huh. What is your doubt? Ask me.
Sir, it should be CaSO4 twice.
Why?
Sir, calcium's is 2 charge, sir.
You know why it is CaCl2? In the first reaction, calcium chloride. You know why it is CaCl2? Okay. You know why it is CaNO3 twice?
Yes, sir.
So you are thinking that here it is CaCl2, here it is CaNO3 twice. So similarly here also it should be CaSO4 twice. That is why you are thinking. Okay. Let me clarify. Calcium chloride. No, you have to first enable your video. Okay, everyone. Okay, enable. Your video is enabled. Don't do it. Calcium chloride, I'll write. Ca, calcium. What is the charge on calcium?
+2.
2 plus.
Or plus 2. 2 plus or plus 2, both are same. Charge on Cl, chloride. Cl minus. Correct? Minus means -1 it is. And this charge is here and this charge is here. Ca, this charge it is here 1 and Cl that charge is 2. So it will be CaCl2.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? This 2 charge to that number we will write here and this 1 we will write here. So Ca1, Cl2. If there is 1 means we won't write. So it is CaCl2. Correct?
Yes,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
sir.
1 ಇದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Hope that's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, calcium and NO3. NO3 minus. Again here is -1. That 1 you will write along with calcium. 1. 1 means you don't need to write. NO3. That 2 you write. CaNO3 twice.
Yes, sir.
That is why it is calcium nitrate. Now let's come to your question. Sulfate. SO4. What is the charge on sulfate? Yes, Nisarga Arch. What is the charge on sulfate?
-1.
How much?
-1.
That is why you misunderstood. That is not -1. Sulfate charge is 2 minus. This number you will write here. This number
2
you
to
will
get
write here.
cancelled.
2 will get cancelled and it will be CaSO4.
Okay, sir.
In the first class I explained. You can watch recorded.
Sir, I didn't attend that class.
Huh? Yeah. That's why. You can watch recorded video.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. I think it is balanced. This is balanced, no? Fine. With the
Yes, sir.
same 3 acids, instead of calcium hydroxide, you can take magnesium hydroxide. You can take ferrous hydroxide. Take zinc hydroxide. Take barium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. Ferrous hydroxide. Zinc hydroxide. Barium hydroxide. Can you quickly write all the reactions? It helps you to practice balancing. Helps you to write the reactions. It will help you to remember the formula. Magnesium hydroxide, HCl reactor yavu barutte. Magnesium chloride. Iron hydroxide. Sorry, magnesium hydroxide, HNO3 reactor yavu barutte. Magnesium nitrate. What's the formula of magnesium nitrate? MgNO3 twice. So like that, it will help you to write the molecular formula and also will help you to balance the equation. Got it? Quickly write the reactions. Each reaction, each hydroxide will have 3 reactions. So you are going to write 12 reactions now. First, Likita K, Nisarga RG, Kirtana, Sanika, Rachana, Shreya, Kripa. All of your understanding. Joyce, Caroline,
Yes, sir.
Ananya Vijay, Madhukeshwara, NR, Kumuda. Let me see everyone one by one by the time you will be writing this reaction. By the time you will be writing this reaction, let me talk to everyone quick. Nisarga Archie, okay. So Likita K, can you please enable your video?
Yes, sir.
Likita K. Hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
Your audio is good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you understood. Fine. So you'll be writing 12 reactions now. Quick. You are from Bangalore?
Yes, sir.
Bangalore. I'm not. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Don't know. There is some audio problem, but I am audible, right? Okay, you are from Bangalore. Shreyas BS. Shreyas BS, Virat Kohli, ABD. ABD Shreyas BS, please enable your video. Shreyas BS. Kirtana K.
Yes.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ? ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾ? ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೀರ್ತನಕ್ಕೆ?
No, sir.
ಹೋಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಹೇಗೂ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
No, sir. In our school, they are taking batch wise.
ಓ ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ್ ಪಿಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಸರ್?
Yes, sir.
ಸರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, sir. Barba.
ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಬರೀ 12 ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಯವರು? ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ್ ಪಿಕೆ.
Sir, Mysore.
ಮೈಸೂರು. ಸಾನಿಕಾ ಎಸ್, enable your video. ಸಾನಿಕಾ ಎಸ್, ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ. ಹಾ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು?
Sir, for us batch wise.
ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ವೈಸ್. ನಾಳೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚು?
ಹಾ.
ಓಕೆ, ನಾಳೆ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ನಿಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೋತಾರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ ಡೇ?
Till 12:30. Sorry, 2:30. Sir, till 2:30.
Till 2:30 you will have class. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ವೈಸ್ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್?
Yes, sir.
ಮೈಸೂರು ಅವ್ರ ನೀವು?
ಹಾ, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇನ್ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು? ಎಬಿ ಡಿವಿಲಿಯರ್ಸ್, ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ BS ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಿರಾಟ್ ಕೊಹ್ಲಿ. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು? ಶ್ರೇಯಾ ಕೃಪಾ enable
Sir,
your
I'm
video.
not able to enable the video.
Pardon?
Sir, I'm not able to enable the video.
ಯಾಕೆ, ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
Don't know, sir. I can't.
Okay. Joyce Caroline. Joyce Caroline, can you please enable your video? Joyce Caroline, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
First time I'm seeing you.
Yes, sir.
Where are you from?
Sir, from Bangalore, but I'm now staying in Mysore only, sir.
Okay, you are from Bangalore, but you are in Mysore now.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Anyway, it's all online and attendance is not mandatory. So from wherever you can attend the classes. So you've been to Mysore.
Yes, sir.
Super. You are basically from Mysore.
No, sir, from Bangalore. My father is an ex-army.
Okay.
So I was born in Chennai, again in Bangalore. I was there, and now I'm in Mysore.
Convey our respect to your father.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. In which school you are studying in Bangalore?
Not in Bangalore, sir. Here only in Mysore only I'm studying.
Your school is also in Mysore only.
Yeah, yes. Kendra Vidyalaya.
Oh, okay, okay. KV. You're studying in KV.
Yes, sir.
Oh, super. Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, every time it gives us more pleasure teaching students if you all enable video. See, your video is like, HD plus plus it is. I don't know why all of you disable your video and stuff. You feel like, okay, around say comfortably we can sit and, attend the classes. Something like, out of my curiosity, I'm asking what goes on students' mind while attending the online classes. See, it's not only your batch. We have been taking online classes for different batches, right? Then all the batches, same thing. Like students don't feel like enabling their video. Any reason? I think since you have that army background, we don't need to teach about discipline. All that. You all born with discipline, and since you are studying also in KV, it helps us to interact in a better way, and also to improve our personal chemistry if you enable your video. Okay, super. Charan MR 10th. Sir, namaste.
Yes, sir. Namaste.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಯವರು ನೀವು? ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಮೈಸೂರು.
ಮೈಸೂರವರೇನೆ? ಓ ಸೂಪರ್. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಸರ್?
ಸರ್, ಗೀತಾ ಕಾನ್ವೆಂಟ್.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್?
ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಓ ಸೂಪರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Everyone please finish. Okay, by the time I'll give one more reaction. KLOH tries. FeOH tries. Right, these two reactions also with acids. Shreyas BS, Virat Kohli plus ABD video enable ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ disable ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. So RCB fan ನೀವು. ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ BS. ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ನಮ್ದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ನಮ್ದೆ. ಒಂದ್ ಸಲನೂ ಕಪ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಡಿ. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಯವರು ಸರ್? ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ BS.
ಸರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ್ ಕೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ಕೀರ್ತನಾ ಕೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ರಚನಾ ಕೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನನ್ಗೆ?
ಸರ್ ಈಗ
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Balancing, writing the formula, everything you understood.
Yes, sir.
Any chemical reaction we can give, you'll be able to write. Super. ಎಲ್ಲಿಯವರು ನೀವು?
Sir, Bangalore.
Which school you are studying?
Vidya Sanskar.
Vidya Sanskar, Magdi Road.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Madhukeshwara NR. Everyone finish this. Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
All of you finish this. Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll erase this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, reaction with second one. Reaction with non-metal oxide. Reaction with non-metal oxides. Okay. See, we are discussing about reaction of base with non-metal oxides, right? Have you ever thought why bases won't react with metal oxides? Metal oxides ಜೊತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ? Non-metal oxide ಜೊತೆನೇ ಯಾಕೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Let's understand this. Huh?
Metal oxides are basic in nature, sir.
Metal oxides are basic in nature. Absolutely. Absolutely right. Metal oxides are basic in nature. Say, for example, I take one metal oxide, simple oxide, sodium oxide. Na2. Na2O. That is sodium oxide, right? When you dissolve sodium oxide in water, what are you going to get? Sodium hydroxide. NaOH. While balancing, you will balance that to NaOH. Now NaOH is sodium hydroxide. So bases won't react with bases. Correct. And acids won't react with acids. Acid will react with base. Base will react with acid. That is law of nature. Prakriti niyama. Positive charge will attract towards positive charge. No, it repel, right? Positive charge only attract towards the negative charge. That is nature, law of nature. Okay. Similarly, metal oxides are basic in nature, and most of the chemical reactions they take place in solution. So when you dissolve metal oxide in water, it forms basic solution. So base won't react with basic solution, but base always prefer to react with acidic solution. Now you can remember like this: all metal oxides are basic in nature. All non-metal oxides are generally acidic in nature. So reaction with non-metal oxide, that means you can write down below this reaction, you can write down generally non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Generally, you can write down generally non-metal oxides are generally non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Acidic in nature. Hence, they react with bases. Hence, they react with bases to form. Hence, they react with bases to form corresponding salts. Hence, they react with bases to form corresponding salts and water. Okay. See, I'll take NaOH. I'll take NaOH. And this NaOH will react with non-metal oxide. Best example for non-metal oxide: carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, right? Yes or no? Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, they're all non-metal oxides. So I'll take carbon dioxide, Na1. Plus carbon dioxide. It gives what? Corresponding salt. What is that corresponding salt? Sodium is here and this is carbon dioxide. This can take up this oxygen atom, thereby it can form carbonate. So it forms sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, plus H2O liquid. Is that balanced? Is that balanced? Na2CO3, here it is only Na, but here it is NaOH. So here it is Na2, therefore it should be 2 NaOH.
2H.
H2O, it's balanced. Write down. Mr. Charan, ಅದನ್ನ MR Charan ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋ. It will become Mr. Charan. Correct.
Okay.
Mr. Charan, H2 ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? We don't need to write 2H2. I think it's balanced now. Yes or no? Okay. So now next phase, I can take up calcium hydroxide. Plus CO2 gas. CaOH twice plus CO2 gas. Now it forms CaCO3 gas plus H2O. Calcium hydroxide plus CO2 gives calcium carbonate H2. It's balanced. Balance ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Okay, next I'll take sulfur dioxide. ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. NaOH plus SO2 gives what? Na2SO3, not SO4, okay? Na2SO3. Andre, what is SO3? Sulfide. SO4 andre sulfate. SO3 andre sulfide. SO4 sulfate. So Na2SO3 plus H2O. I think again it should be 2 NaOH. Similarly, calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice plus SO2, calcium sulfide, CaSO3, plus H2O. Calcium hydroxide plus SO2 gives calcium sulfite plus H2O. Okay. So you can take up both carbon dioxide. I'll give some more hydroxides now. And each hydroxide you should make to react with both carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. You know the NaOH ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ. NaOH that has reacted with carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, right? Calcium hydroxide ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ that has reacted with both carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Yes or no? Like that. Take some more examples of hydroxide. KOH. Take barium hydroxide.
Magnesium hydroxide.
Yes, magnesium hydroxide. Zinc hydroxide. Ferrous hydroxide. Write down. For each hydroxide, 2 reactions. Like that, 5. That means 10 reactions you have to write down. Quick. Say write 10 reactions. You have to write 10 reactions now. Quick. After ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಕುಮುದಾಕೆ.
Yes, sir.
Can you please enable your video?
Sir, your power is not there, sir.
Huh?
Sir, your power is not there, sir.
ಓ ಪವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕಾಣಲ್ವ ನನಗೆ? ಫುಲ್ ಕತ್ಲಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, sir.
ದೀಕ್ಷಾ ವಿಕೆ. ದೀಕ್ಷಾ ವಿಕೆ. ದೀಕ್ಷಾ ವಿಕೆ. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. ನೋ ಆಡಿಯೋ, ನೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ವಾಸುದೇವ್ ಶಣಾಯ್.
ಸರ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೆರಗೋಡಿಂದ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಮಂಡ್ಯದಿಂದ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ರೂರಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅವರ ಚೇರ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು ಶ್ರೀಪತಿ ಜಿ ಅವರು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಸೆಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಅದನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಂಜೆ ಒಳಗೆ, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಕನ್ಸೆಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರೇನೋ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲೇ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ತಗೋತಿರತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಸೆಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಹುಡುಗರು ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಏನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ. ಶ್ವೇತಾ ರಾಣಿ. ಶ್ರೀಶ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ರಿಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಹಾ, ನೀವ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯವರು?
Bangalore, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
Sir, Attibele. Attibele.
ಅತ್ತಿಬೆಲೆ.
ಹಾ.
ಅತ್ತಿಬೆಲೆ 360B. ಕೆಂಪೇಗೌಡ ಬಸ್ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣ ಟು ಅತ್ತಿಬೆಲೆ 360B.
Sir, Bangalore ಅಲ್ಲ sir,
ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಇವಾಗ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ.
Industrial area, sir.
Good. Write all the 10 reactions. Quick. ಕಣವೆ ಅವರ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೇನ್ರಿ ಇವತ್ತು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲನ್ರಿ ನೀವು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್? Everyone, can you follow us? Suppose if they make objective papers, how they have done this year, next year ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so you will get an idea. They may ask name the product font or name the reactant, fill in the blank, something like that. They can ask anything. That is why I'm giving more and more reactions so that you'll be able to write any number of reactions. Reactants ಯಾವುದು, products ಯಾವುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಶ್ರೀಶ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Joyce, Caroline, any doubt? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Sita, Arshat,
Yes, sir.
they understood all this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Which school in Kerala? We are from Kannur.
Sir, I'm not in Kerala, sir. I'm studying in Bangalore itself, sir.
Actually, you are in Bangalore only.
Yes, sir, but my hometown is in Kerala, sir.
Oh. I thought you are in Kerala only. What's your studying in Kerala?
No, sir, I'm studying in Bangalore itself, sir.
Which school in Bangalore?
Stella Maris School.
Stella Metso.
Yes, sir.
Great. Everyone finished? No problem. Take your time. All of you finished?
Yes, sir.
Everyone finished?
Yes, sir.
Sonika is, Rachna
Sir.
K, Likita, Kirtana.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. One more reaction is that reaction of bases with heavy metal salts. Heavy metal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಇವಾಗ D block elements. D block ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ metals ಎಲ್ಲ called heavy metals. Say for example, iron chloride, FeCl2, iron chloride, zinc sulfate, copper chloride, copper sulfate, then manganese sulfate, chromium sulfate. These are called heavy metal salts. Heavy metal ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ D block elements. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗನೀಸ್, ಐರನ್, ಕೋಬಾಲ್ಟ್, ನಿಕೆಲ್, ಕಾಪರ್, ಜಿಂಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ, when the salt of those heavy metals react with base, they form corresponding hydroxide. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂಥರ ಇದು displacement reactions. Okay, that we can study in our next class. After that, we'll go for the next topic. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಸಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ next class only we can go for the next topic, that is salts. Okay, hope that's clear everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you and bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you and sir.
Ma'am, thank you, sir.